Today we are going to make tomato carrot raita. The ingredients are onion cut into small pieces, tomato cut into small pieces, and carrot cut into small pieces. Put in the tomatoes, carrot, and the onion, and squash, and mix. Pepper powder and mix thoroughly. Put in curd, around 200 to 300 ml, and mix thoroughly and squash the ingredients. Squash the ingredients and incorporate it nicely into the curd. This gives it a nice and smooth taste. Put in salt to taste. Mix the salt properly with the curd. This is a nice side dish which can be taken with biryani and ghee rice, and is quite famous all over the world wherever biryani and ghee rice is served. This is the final carrot tomato raita or mixed veg raita, a very nice side dish served with biryani and ghee rice. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and press the notification button. Carrot tomato raita or mixed vegetable raita.